Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to remove Nsfw on Reddit app. Now I will give you a very simple way. All you have to do is go for your app, then select your profile here in right side. Then at the bottom, click on settings. Under the settings, look for Show Nsfw content I'm over 18. You can now enable or disable this icon, and it is automatically blur NSW images if you are below 18. That's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.